Welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV, guys. And today we're making the pan-seared smothered chicken. So stay tuned, guys, while I have the meat wash. And here I have 2 pounds of chicken. So stay tuned, guys, while I have the meat wash. I'm gonna use the lime juice to have the chicken wash, where I'll be using like 1/4 cup. So that's good enough. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning. And this is the black pepper, 1 teaspoon. And this is the thyme. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, there you have it. That's the seasoned chicken. And I use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and here I have my foreign milk, so stay tuned for that, guys. And I have my chicken broth, so you're gonna see the progress, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, you want to go ahead and have your frying pan heated, but today I'm using olive oil. As you can see, this one is low in cholesterol and sodium free. So I'm gonna just glaze the pan with the oil. So that should be good, guys, so stay tuned. Alright, you want to go ahead and add 4 cloves of garlic to the oil so you could get that flavor. So stay tuned, guys. You want to go ahead and have the chicken placed, guys. So yes, guys, you want to have them at this temperature. So you don't want to fry them too fast, guys, because remember, they're like pan-seared, because they're gonna be smothered down later. So stay tuned, guys, while we cut the natural season up. I have my natural season cut, which I'm gonna go ahead and have the escallion cut. I'm gonna just cut them up, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and have my onion. I like to use 1 onion, guys. So that's how much I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna use half of sweet pepper. Let's go check on the chicken, guys. Alright, guys, you want to go ahead and have them flip. Yeah, that's the texture you need right here, guys. So you're going to make sure you get that texture. Just like that, guys. It's looking beautiful. And the season, the paprika, guys, I'm gonna put the recipe in the description, guys, so you could check it out. The recipe will be in the description, so stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, check in. We just check in for the chicken, and they're browning lovely, guys. Yeah, that's the seared you want to get them. Not too much, but those are perfect. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, they're looking lovely. So I'm gonna go ahead and have these set removed. So stay tuned, guys. That's the first set right there that I pan seared. The rest is on the fire, pan searing. So stay tuned, guys, as we proceed with this meal. Guys, this chicken is smelling so lovely. You know what bring out the flavor, guys? The olive oil. It gives the chicken a different taste. Oh my god. Guys, if you haven't started cooking with olive oil, I think that's the best bet. It's pretty much more healthy and it gives the chicken that aroma and flavor, guys. That's spectacular. So guys, stay tuned because over here I have the dumpling. I did go ahead and make some dumpling, guys. Right over there, I did go ahead and make some dumpling. And I have some sweet potato. So I'll be serving the dumpling with the pan seared chicken. So guys, stay tuned. Yeah guys, the chicken them looking lovely, guys, and that's a new update. So stay tuned, guys. As I say, the recipe there in the description, guys, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright. Alright guys, you want to go ahead and get some of the seasoning in there because you want to remove that stuff that's sitting down there with the seasoning. So I'm gonna add half of the seasoning right now, guys. And then I'm gonna get my whisk. You want to bring the fire down to a little below medium. And you just do it like this, guys. You want to go ahead and add your flour, guys, little by little. Don't put in everything at once because you still want to have it distributed evenly. You just want to get that gravy there, guys. Yes, guys, that's the thickness you want to get it, the consistency. Then you want to go ahead with the chicken broth and you stir as you pour, guys. You need like a 1 cup, 1 cup of the chicken broth, guys. And then you mix it up real good. Then you go ahead with the remainder, guys. So you want to let this sit, guy, for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you check back on it. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of the Worcester sauce. They call it the W sauce. So I just need like 1 teaspoon. All right, guys. So stay tuned. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk that in, guys. As you can see, it started to form together. You can use cornstarch too, guys, because you want to have that gravy look. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And that's the mixture you want to get, guys. So you use the whisk, and then you whisk it in, and whisk away the milk, and whisk it into the sauce. And the link for the sauce, guys, I'm gonna leave it in the description. This chicken gonna be so great. The smothered, pan-seared chicken. Epic, guys. Yes, guys, so that's the consistency. So you let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes because you still want to have the seasoning boiled out. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, welcome back. That's the Yes, guys, welcome back. That's the consistency from the gravy that you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my chicken in, and you want to get it all the way down there, guys, just like that. And I want you guys to try this recipe out, guys. It's a really delicious recipe. It's one of them elegant recipe where you have that fine dining meal, guys, because all this is gonna be smothered in the sauce, guys. So that's it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and have it covered and let it sit for about 20 minutes, guys. So stay tuned. Yeah, guys, as you see, the chicken is being smothered, guy, covered with the gravy. But we still have 15 minutes to go, guys, because we wanted to really get that good soak, guys. So I'm making sure, as you can see, guys, the texture is very unique. And the chicken is being smothered, guys. I want each and every one to try this dish, guys. It's an epic one. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I can't stop looking at this chicken, guys. I can't wait to dig in. Man, it smells so good. All right, guys, you know what time is it? Yeah, guys, as you can see, that's a final product. So we're gonna go ahead and get it plated, guys, and do a taste test because I have to dig in this one, guys. So stay tuned. Yes, guy, I already go ahead and have it plated. But guys, you see the gravy texture? The texture is so rich, guys, and that's the texture you want to have. And here I'm gonna go digging, guys, and let you know how it tastes. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and taste a piece of the chicken and let you guys know how it tastes. I'm gonna get a little piece of the potato. Mmm, that chicken is good, guys. This gravy, mm, mm. This is a bomb. All right, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you next time.